Hey guys, want to record guitar ideas or full multi-track sessions on your phone, tablet or desktop? Fender Studio is free, cross-platform DAW that makes it easy, no subscription needed. Firstly, download Fender Studio on iOS, Android or macOS or Windows or Linux. Launch the app and optionally create a free Fender Connect account. So as you can see, you can sign in or register. In my case, I'm just going to use it without the account this time. Then we just tap on the new project. Then we can also choose different settings in here. Choose the track counts. For example, 8 tracks are free, up to 16 with accounts. Select a tempo and let your creativity flow. So for example, we can choose vocals, we can choose a preset, input, built-in speaker, and pretty much press OK. So this is one layer, as you can see, and we can customize a lot of things. Also, you can, after that, press on the plus icon to insert guitar or bass tracks. Choose classic Fender amps like the 1965 Twin Reverb or 1958 Bassman, plus built-in effects like reverb, delay, compression, vocals effects like vocoder, and more. So just press on plus, and as you can see, we can just add a track. So this time let's add bass, choose a preset, bass.